This year's most talked and most awaited IPO is finally opening its offer for the general public. Ola Electric Mobility is coming up with an IPO worth 6,145 crores. The open date is 2nd of August. The close date is 6th of August. The price band is between 72 rupees to 76 rupees per share, and the minimum lot size is 195 shares. The company is India's leading EV player, which is not only focused in serving the Indian electric industry, but also wants to penetrate in the international markets. The company's Ola Future factory, situated in Tamil Nadu, is India's largest electric two-wheeler manufacturing unit. Along with this, the company has 935 experience centers and 414 service centers. The company's revenue has increased from 373 crores in 2022 to 5,009 crores in 2024. Along with the increase in their revenue, their losses have also substantially increased from 784 crores in 2022 to 1,584 crores in 2024. The company has been continuously generating negative cash flow from its operations, and according to the statements and reports issued by Ola, they might generate negative cash flow even in the future. The company has been investing heavily in the R&D segment, and according to Ola, they will invest in the R&D segment for innovation even in the future. Now, investments made in R&D cannot be guaranteed that they will generate returns in the future. There are players like Hero MotoCorp, Eicher Motors, Bajaj Auto, TVS Motors in this segment. Now, they have been in the automobile industry of our country for decades together, and Ola competing with these automobile giants is definitely a question of survival of the fittest. So that is all about the IPO that Ola Electric Mobility is coming up with. In case if you have any queries or questions, please do mention in the comment section below. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.